Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the Wet n Wild Color Icon Cream Eyeliner Eyeshadow Multi-Stick in Nocturnal Behavior. This versatile product boasts a velvety cream-to-powder formula, making it a must-have for your makeup collection. It's designed to be multifunctional, allowing you to apply it on your eyes, cheeks, and lips, giving you a range of options for creating stunning looks. The Color Icon Multi-Stick features a silky formula that glides on effortlessly and blends beautifully into the skin. One of the standout components is its nourishing formula, infused with virgin passion fruit seed oil, argan oil, and vitamin E, which work together to hydrate and nourish your skin. Available in various shades, from natural to bold, this product caters to all preferences, offering both matte and metallic finishes. Best of all, it's cruelty-free and fragrance-free, making it suitable for a wide range of skin types. In my experience using this multi-stick, I found it incredibly easy to set up and apply. The creamy texture glides smoothly, allowing for precise application, whether I'm aiming for a subtle hint of color on my cheeks or a bold pop on my lips. I tested it throughout the day and I was pleased to find that it held up well, providing a lasting effect without excessive fading or creasing. When it comes to performance, this product excels. For example, while applying it as an eyeshadow, I was able to create a stunning smoky eye that transitioned beautifully into a cheek lip color for evening wear. The buildable formula is perfect for those who want to start with a light wash of color and intensify it as needed. Now let's discuss some pros and cons. On the plus side, the moisturizing properties are a significant advantage, particularly for those with dry skin. It's also affordable, making it a great addition to any makeup routine. However, some users have reported that it may not last as long on the lips as they'd hoped. And while the color selection is broad, it might lack certain unique shades found in more high-end brands. In comparison to similar products, the Wet n Wild Multi-Stick stands out due to its blendable and creamy formula, which many have found superior to other budget options. For instance, when compared to ELF products, users report that Wet n Wild offers a creamier application that shows up more vibrantly. Considering the price point, this product offers excellent value for money. With its high quality and versatility, it's a fantastic investment for makeup enthusiasts. The build quality feels solid, with no apparent issues regarding durability or design flaws noted during my usage. User-friendliness is another strong point. The intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. The ease of blending and building color enhances its appeal. I also had a pleasant experience with Wet n Wild's customer service, noting quick response times and helpful representatives, which is always a bonus. Throughout my real-world testing, the multi-stick performed admirably across various applications. From brightening my inner corners to adding a pop of color to my lips, it consistently delivered impressive results. As for updates, I found no major firmware or software changes affecting this product since its initial release, which indicates that Wet n Wild is maintaining its quality. In conclusion, I highly recommend the Wet n Wild Color Icon Cream Eyeliner Eyeshadow Multi-Stick in Nocturnal Behavior for anyone looking to enhance their makeup collection. It's perfect for those who appreciate a versatile, budget-friendly product that offers great performance. This product is particularly well-suited for beginners exploring makeup options, but it's also excellent for seasoned pros who enjoy experimenting with color. If you're enjoying this review, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell icon. It helps us create more fantastic content for you. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description below. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or share your experiences if you've tried it. What do you think?